the A98 Esports keyboard. It's a mechanical keyboard for $130 on Newegg at the moment. It's on a sale. It's normally, I believe, $159 on Newegg, and I don't know if it's probably on Amazon, but I got it off of Newegg. I really enjoy this keyboard. It's RGB. It looks great. It feels great, and it has a lot of different RGB modes. I really like RGB in my setup, so it's something I really enjoy. What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing the A90. What's up, guys? Today I'm reviewing the A98 Esports keyboard by Dareu. It's the industry version, so it has a blue and white tint, I'm pretty sure is what I remember, and it is a 100% keyboard. It has Bluetooth dongle and wired, I'm pretty sure, for connection modes. It's a really nice looking keyboard, and I'm just going to stop talking about it and actually show you all the keyboard itself. With this silver cover off, this is what the box of the keyboard itself looks like. It's a little heavy, but not too heavy. I'm sure the keyboard won't be all that heavy. It's going to have some other parts in here. But in the box, you're going to get the keyboard, which I got. This is the blue and white model. It has what it has on the keyboard, and the instruction manual and everything, and protector. There's the keyboard. This is the switches. It's in Chinese, unfortunately. This is the mechanical keyboard instruction manual. Also, I think some of it's in Chinese. This is some more of it. Also, a lot of it's in Chinese. You can probably just use Google Translate on it, so you can see everything. I'm guessing these are the two boxes with the extra keycaps, because there's extra keycaps, and the USB-C for connecting it. And we can put this right up to the side. The instruction manual, I'll go over that in just a second. But this is the keyboard itself. It's the first time I'm actually opening it. It is, from what I can feel, it is unfortunately a little heavy, but it does have a battery in it. The battery lasts a while. It's a big battery. I forgot the exact size of the battery, but maybe it says on the back here. It does not say on the back of there. But this is the keyboard. You can kind of see the size. It's actually not all that big. It's a very nice spaced keyboard for what it's giving you. It has these little feet on the back here, one for the smaller, and then one for the higher up one. Those are actually really sturdy feet. I really like it. It has these grips back here. It has this place to to run your USB-C cable through if you're charging it or using it wired. On the side here, I believe, right here on this side, it has the dongle for it for connecting. On this side, you switch it between auto, Bluetooth, or I believe that is wired. I'm not sure what that connection mode means. It has like the Wi-Fi signal. But the keys, that sounds way better than I expected. These are, I believe, Sky Switch V3. It's these switches, I believe. It might be the gold one. It actually has a keycap holder and everything. It's fully hot swappable. And that sounds really good for a $130 price range. And it's hot swappable, it's mechanical, it has all that good stuff you want in a keyboard, especially at that price range, and it sounds great. I'm going to have more of a sound showcase on it later on, but this is just the keyboard unboxing. I'll show you more of it in just a minute. Also inside the box, I forgot to include this in the first take, we have this, I can get it out. Here's the actual USB-C cable. I guess they open on the wrong side. Here's the USB-C cable for the keyboard. That is actually a very long USB-C cable. Looks good. It's just that white color. It looks nice though. This is, I believe, the keycaps and the key puller. Yeah, it is. Here's the key puller, and here's the key caps. If I can get them out. Right, here they are. So it has just the yellow ones. I'll be putting them on probably soon. That's what they look like. But yeah. This is the keyboard when it's connected to my dongle into my PC. It actually fits really well. My hands fit great on it. My mouse is over here, so it can be a little wide, but all I have to do is scoot it in a little bit. It feels really great. You can actually see the battery percentage right there. You can see that 86, which is the battery percentage. It's actually not focusing. Come on. It's not focusing for some reason. There we go. that is it with its battery percentage and everything. It has a lot of different light modes. It's not the brightest, I will say that. You can change the brightness with that. If I turn the lights off in my room a little bit, you actually be able to see the brightness a lot better. Side note, this is actually my first mechanical keyboard I've ever used, so you're going to see me not know what I'm doing exactly with it, but it was one of my first mechanical keyboards, and it's a great mechanical keyboard. I've used others, I've never owned one, but this is the first one I've owned, and I really, really like the keyboard. I think that if this was someone's first keyboard, or even a keyboard they were looking for to start off, or just down the road they were looking for a good budget keyboard, this would be the keyboard I got. It's not expensive, it sounds great, it's hot swappable, nice switches. I could lube the switches, which I actually might do for a future video. I might lube the switches and everything. But for a starter one, or for one to kind of down the road, I would really enjoy this mechanical keyboard.